Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you how to enable split screen view or how to use two apps once in any Android device. So before we hop on to a video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon beside it so you will be notified about my interesting videos. So here you can see my Android phone on your screen. Then what you have to do here is you can see a slash or three dashes in your left below. If you tap or pull it, you can open like this page. It is called the recently used app page and most of you also know it. So guys, you can see icons of the app which you used. Do you know guys that if you tap the icons you can see many more options? So let's tap it and you can see many options. So one of the option is the split screen view. So let us tap this and you can see open in split screen view. We have other options but the video is about open in split screen view. So let's tap the open in split screen view and open any other app, not only YouTube, Google, any other app. So here you can adjust the size of the app you want, and you can also play video with sound in YouTube and also use Google. So guys, this is amazing and you can use many more options like you use in a single app. So guys, this is the trick I wanted to show you. So before you leave the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon beside it so you will be notified about my interesting videos and have the chance to watch more videos. Thank you.